Take the
Give her
bullet.
the fall guy.
Yeah, definitely. So this is a little something internally we and soon externally call the peer marketer. So, a lot of folks here, I imagine, are also in the advocacy space as well, or work with advocacy folk. The two main challenges that we found that they had are number one, getting customer feedback. I'm sure you've all experienced that. It's difficult to build that engine. And then the second part, equally important, is how you're going to use it, right? You got all of that. You finally got your customers to speak to you. It's the best content that you could possibly have, and it was difficult to use. So we were on a mission, specifically in the past few months, to make it super easy. So what we created is this. So I just, as Andrew was speaking, or more once Kyle mentioned it, because I had a feeling this was coming, just did a quick search, because internet likes to sometimes go out when you're on a webinar. So I have it pre-populated, but I'll show you what you're looking at. So I just went to a product page, the dashboard page. This is what a vendor can get to inside the PeerSpot engine, behind the curtain. And what you could do here actually is filter this however you want. Like, you can choose reviews from a specific date, from a campaign if you had one, different countries, so on and so forth. And then you can put in either one of our drop downs, people, metrics, competitive, whatever it might be, all positive, or the special features is actually a text input. So you could search for whatever you want. For example, if you're running a campaign about something, or you want a competency about something, you could just search for AI. The really cool part, which we've just added, and this actually just went live on the customer side a few days ago, is, let's say I just wanted to create one of those social cards that, Andrew and Kyle mentioned. People love that. You want to put on social media, customer feedback. You want it to run as an ad for one of your campaigns. Just, this is what our customers are saying. Or even if your sales team wants to like send a quick snippet for prospecting, or just as a follow-up, you just click here, generate asset. Then you'll click whatever style you want. I'm not going to do this on the call, but you can pre-map, your colors and add any logo. You set it up once, and then you literally just click here on generate asset, and I'll show you what it creates for you. So you go then to your asset library, and you can see all of these quote cards. Again, going to steal Andrew's terminology, automatically get created in a matter of minutes. So that's one of the functionalities that we have. In the next week or so, you're going to be able to do the same thing, but instead of picking one quote, you pick 3 or 4, and then you can create those widgets. So it allows our customers to really help supercharge their SEO, AO, GEO, whatever mixture of letters they're going to come up with next, to make sure that they're really using it on as many pages as they want. Landing pages. Landing pages is specifically a challenge because it's something you spin up a lot of them, and it's hard to get your teams to create unique widgets and unique things for all of those. This way, it's going to allow people to really do it at scale with the click of a button. So we have those, and also you can create assets the same way, like Kyle had mentioned, real reports, taking review content as well. So all of those things together are what we, like I said, are calling our peer marketer.
So that amazes me, and I think I'm gonna throw Chloe in here real quick, and she's like, "What? I wasn't supposed to be asked a question." But Chloe, you've worked at Sugar for what, seven months now, and you've done an unbelievable job with our marketing and not having a ton of resources. Having something like that to create those widgets that fast, how valuable would that be to you in your job?
Yeah, thank you. I can't believe I'm speaking. I'm excited. Um, I think that that is definitely super helpful. I think one of the biggest points for me is having not only like good content, but content that reflects like our brand identity on like a visual sense. So not having all of that time to go through Figma and then do it myself with how messy our Figma workspace is right now. I think it's definitely going to be a big help with like the time suck that, just creating visual assets are.
Yeah, I know you get thrown a lot of requests from the team going, "Hey, can I get a comment? Can I get a quote from somebody?" And you have to make it look pretty and everything, and you do a job, but I just can't imagine having a tool like this and just being able to go boom, boom, boom.